Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here today to share a probably unpopular opinion about the new handbag that I got. I don't even know if I'm going to put this up because I generally don't like to put not good videos up, but I thought because this was something that everyone was going after that I put in my 2 cents as well in case this will help you. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also do travel, fashion, luxury videos. If you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. So the Coach Empire Tote Carryall bag has been super popular, and yes, I was one of the people that kind of got I wouldn't say suckered in, but definitely was very intrigued because I do own a lot of Coach bags in the past. I have purchased quite a bit of them over the years, but recently I have not, and when this came out I was like, wow, I really want to get back into Coach again. I want to check them out. So let me just tell you, I don't think I'm keeping this bag, but I will kind of show you the footage that I took while unboxing it just so that I could show you what it looks like. I do want to preface with that I don't think anything is wrong with the bag. I think it's a beautiful bag, but it's just not for me. So let's go over why I think this way in case this also applies to you. First off, I think it is beautifully packaged. I think it came in a lot of care. They put wrapping, padding everywhere that they think could damage or crease the bag. There's a lot of attention to details. All the stitches are amazing, and the lining is this microfiber kind of material. The inside of the bag is roomy, and the outside of the bag feels very flawless and soft, but also can stand on its own. If you held the bag up, it does dip over your hand, but I think with an organizer it would be great. And if I were to keep this bag, I would definitely get a custom one from Zumoni, which you can get 20% off with my code angeleyn below for custom bag organizers as well. I think this one could be very beautiful for the fall, but also throughout the year. The one that I got is actually in a navy color, and you can kind of see the burnish color that it's darker at the top than the bottom, which is lighter navy. And when you don't look at it kind of in the light like that, it just looks kind of almost dark blue / black. It is a very easy to go with any outfit, and I actually really do like the look of it. Now, those are a lot of pros, and I do realize that sounds like why you're returning it. So let me tell you, I am 5'1", about 155 centimeters tall. I usually wear a size extra small or a 0 or a 2, but I'm a petite gal. When I held this up to my body, it looked kind of ridiculously big. And in a way, it's kind of like, okay, sometimes I could wear big bags, but in this case, because the top handle is so short, and I apologize, I don't want to take this off since I am planning on returning it, so I don't want to take all this stuff off. But you can see that the drop is very small. So I am able to put it on the crook of my arm. But if this bag being so big, which can fit my laptop, a 14-inch MacBook, and still zip up, if it's that big and filled up, it would hurt a lot on the wrist. There is a crossbody strap right here, which is adjustable. I have not taken it out. I assume for my height, I would need to punch additional holes, which is not unheard of. I've done that before, but even so, when wearing it adjusted, it kind of held the strap short. I'll insert a photo. It still looks, to me, comically big. The last main reason why I decided to return it is because if I were to bring this traveling, which I can see because with such a nice big roomy tote, it is great for traveling. Oh, here, you can kind of see how it's like standing on my hand like that. But if I lay it flat, the feet, beautiful feet, will hold it up. If I were to bring this on vacation, I would like to wear it as my like personal item. I would also likely bring a suitcase, but I realized these handles cannot go over my suitcase handle. And I can put in a photo here. I don't have a super huge handle, it's a regular handle, but since these handles can't fit around it, there's no way to stabilize this huge bag on my suitcase while wheeling it. So if it's that heavy, can't carry it on the crook of my arm for long, looks kind of weird on the shoulder on my height, and it cannot fit over my suitcase handle, I find it very hard to use. So while I really like the leather, it is exquisite, it is so supple, soft, but also very I'd say like very high end, I would say, yeah. I do think it is not for me. Now, if you were taller, or if you do carry things that are lighter than I would, or if you wear this crossbody strap and it looks great against your body, I think this is actually a really good one to consider. Again, I would recommend getting an organizer to kind of organize this big space, because there's only one pocket right here and it's just otherwise a huge empty hole. But the organizer will help you kind of keep things in order, but it'll also prevent it from doming at the bottom. So when I put my laptop, it did kind of dip a little bit like this because it was heavy. And so over time, this leather will bend to it. So an organizer would definitely help you. Again, I recommend the ones from Zumoni. I'll link it below. That's where I would have gotten mine if I were to keep this bag. So I am still debating, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to return it. I know this is not a popular opinion, but I thought I'd share it with you in case you are kind of my height, or you are maybe not so much on wearing bags on the crook of your arm that are like of this size. I hope this was helpful. If you have any further questions, leave in the comments below and I'll try to answer it. I've seen a lot of great videos, and I do agree with all of those people that this is really nice leather. I wouldn't say it's on the same level as Hermes, but it is better than a lot of other high-end designer leathers that I've seen. So just kind of framing it there. I really wish this one worked for me. Unfortunately, if I'm not going to use it, there's no point in me keeping it, even though I love the leather and the design of it being, you know, a runway bag and burnished and all of that. I still love Coach. I still will wear my Coach bags, but not this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and I will have more review, unboxing videos coming soon. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.